Hello and good morning, you all. Today is a shoot day, so I'm going to take you all with me as I get ready. And first things first is always coffee. So I'm gonna make my coffee, prep my post for the day, and then get ready to get in the shower and do my hair and makeup. Because of you. Okay, so I have my coffee, posted my photo for the day, and I'm kind of running late for getting in the shower and all that. I like plan out my morning, make a whole list, make a schedule, and I'm like 30 minutes behind, but it's okay. I'm going to get in the shower and wash my hair. I'm going to be using the same products that I used in my last Get Ready With Me, which are all SHRD products. They're really good for strengthening and hydrating, and I actually just got my hair done last week, so it's like really just recently treated and it's going to be pretty dry. This is my first time washing it since, because I like to make that first blowout last as long as possible. So I actually just got a restock in. So I got the Nutritherapy shampoo and conditioner. I do have a little bit left in the shower, so I might not open these just yet because I think I have enough for one more wash. And then afterwards, you all know that I loved the protein cream, so I'm going to be using that again just to like smooth the top parts and make my hair look really healthy. But just to like talk a little bit more about what these products offer. So they do have that Nutritherapy complex. They have a lot of protection, especially for damaged hair like mine, and I use heat on it like every single day, which is probably not good, but this is the best shampoo and conditioner for that. And then it also provides a lot of nourishment, so it hydrates my hair, makes it very soft and also strong. So if you remember in the last video, I was saying how much stronger my hair looks. It was less like straggly and more all put together. So you can take a look at my hair right now and see how it looks. It's not too bad, but definitely needs some more strength. It needs some hydration. It's looking very dry, especially at the root. So for people with dry hair like me, I'm not someone to be using dry shampoo. I would actually be using like a dry conditioner because my hair is so dry that I actually need to wash it to give it moisture. A lot of people wash their hair to make it less greasy, so mine's kind of the opposite. And these shampoo and conditioners are actually perfect for replacing that nourishment back in my hair and giving it that hydration and strength that it needs. And it also says that it brings lifeless hair back to life and back to health. So I'm going to show you the transformation and how I use the product. So when I get in the shower, I'm going to lather it with the Nutritherapy shampoo, and then I'm going to use the conditioner, and again when I get out of the shower I'm going to use the protein cream. So this is my hair before. Just get a good look at it. Very dry. You can see I'm literally shedding. But yeah, I'll see you after my shower. Sorry Dylan, I'm recording. Out of the shower. My hair feels really good, but I'm going to brush it out and then probably do my skincare routine, so we can just let it dry a little bit before I go in and blow dry it and use the protein cream. It feels so good though. So we're gonna do skincare now. I've actually been using Alicia Keys skincare line. It's like really good. So I'm just gonna mist some toner on my face. I already washed it, by the way. And then I'm gonna use a Versed Day serum. I'm gonna skip my gua sha today because we just don't have time for that. We got Lorengen eye cream, which is apparently like the best eye cream. Then I'm just gonna finish with the Keys Soul Care Skin Transformation Cream. I'm going to towel dry my hair a little bit just to get it less soaking wet, and then I'm going to use a little bit of the protein cream on my wet hair before I blow dry it, and then just like last time I'm going to use the protein cream to seal in any flyaways or split ends. the ends of my hair is what holds on to water the most, just because I think they're really dry. The hair is a little bit more damp, so I'm just going to use a little bit of the protein cream. So I'm just going to put a small amount and run it through my hair. A little bit definitely goes a long way. I don't add too much. So now I'm ready to blow dry my hair. I'm going to section off my hair while I'm drying it. Okay, this is my hair directly after blow drying. It's so smooth. Oh my gosh, I actually can't believe that I did this myself. Usually it doesn't look this good at home, so obviously I have like a few flyaways, but it feels really smooth and it feels super strong, which is the most important part. Like, my hair feels very healthy and like alive, which is nice. It has some movement. Usually it's like stiff, and I'm really impressed. But I'm going to use a flat iron probably, and then, you know, smooth these down afterwards. But it's flat iron, so it's a little bit more, you know, straight and smooth. But as you can see, I still do have those flyaways at the top. So I'm going to use the protein cream. And I'm just gonna rub a little bit in my fingertips and smooth out the top of my hair. Like right here. It works so well to just like seal in those pieces. But like, if you see the difference between this side versus this side, you can really tell like all that the cream does, because it really helps. I'm gonna just run my fingers through it with the cream on my fingertips, and then go at the top to smooth it all down. I have to touch up some with a flat iron, but that's okay. I didn't really spend that much time doing it. Now my hair is all sleek and smooth. I'm just gonna fix this one piece right here. And this is the final product for my easy, just like everyday sleek hairstyle. I'm really happy with it. I think my hair is obviously so much shinier and so much healthier looking than what you saw this morning. It was very dry and very coarse. This honestly looks like I got my hair blown out, and like I never get a blow dry this good, so I'm like really proud of myself and honestly so thankful for these products. I'm gonna put all the links to SHRD in my description of this video. But again, like, these products are so good. The protein cream just makes your hair so silky. Like, I can't even describe how shiny my hair is at the top, and you saw it before, so it works wonders. You can see the consistency here. It's a really shiny, pretty product, and I've been using this for like 2 months or like 3 months now, and like I literally just use the smallest bit every time I wash my hair and blow dry it, and then like you can see I still have like over half of it left. So it is so long lasting and can't recommend it enough. It truly works wonders for my hair. Like, I don't know any other product that I put on dry hair that doesn't make it like extremely greasy. I'm just gonna touch up right here, and like you see that easy fix. So amazing, oh my gosh. And yeah, so I'm excited to take photos today because my hair is actually gonna look super good. And now I'm going to do my makeup, but again, just wanted to say thank you to SHRD. They did send me these products, so definitely make sure to check them out, but I am truly obsessed with them. Time for my lashes. I'm gonna come back after I do my lashes. I'm just gonna do the individual Ardell. This is what I buy. I get it on Amazon. Ardell Pro Triple Individual Short Black. And then I'm gonna come back after my lashes are done, and then we're gonna do my makeup, and then we're gonna get ready to go because the girl's in a rush. So, okay, so I just did my lashes. Having fresh lashes like changes the game, honestly. I'm like, now I'm gonna do my makeup, and then I'm going to organize all my clothes and head out on my way for the day. I'm like halfway through my makeup, but I just got like some really awesome news about a brand deal, so I'm like really happy right now. If you ever have imposter syndrome like me, just know that people appreciate your work. Okay, so here are all my looks. I have around 8 looks. We'll see how much we can get done today. They're all Petal and Pup, French Connection, and Wave. So I'm very excited, very spring, summery vibes, and it's perfect for the location I'm going to. Just got home. I'm already in comfy clothes, as you can see, and I shot 8 looks today. I literally have smoothie on my chin. Okay, anyway, starting over. Very tired, and I'm now gonna take a huge nap. But my hair is still pretty good. It's like held in place very well. I've worn some hats. I have been in the wind and in the sun. And usually my hair gets like pretty frizzy and like wavy after I straighten it and flat iron it, but it's held up pretty nicely. Thanks for coming along. I know this is a shorter video, but a little bit about my day, and we're gonna go make dinner because I'm starving.